Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the features and performance of two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the DXJJ Portable Washing Machine. Whether you're looking for a powerful machine for your household or a compact option for travel, we've got you covered. Let's explore what each of these machines has to offer. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer boasts a capacity of 1.7 cubic feet, allowing it to wash up to 11 pounds of laundry at once, making it ideal for small families or individuals with larger laundry needs. In contrast, the DXJJ Portable Washing Machine has a capacity of just 10 liters, which is suitable for smaller loads, particularly delicate items like underwear or baby clothes. If you often find yourself washing larger loads, the BLACK+DECKER is the clear winner in this category. When it comes to price, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer is a more significant investment at $309, reflecting its larger capacity and more advanced features. On the other hand, the DXJJ Portable Washing Machine is priced at just $99, making it a budget-friendly option for those who need a portable washer without breaking the bank. However, it's essential to consider what you are getting for that price, as the BLACK+DECKER offers more functionality and durability. In terms of features, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer comes equipped with 6 different wash cycles, including options for heavy and delicate loads, as well as 3 temperature settings. This versatility allows users to customize their wash according to their laundry needs. Conversely, the DXJJ Portable Washing Machine offers only 3 modes, which may limit its effectiveness for various types of laundry. While the DXJJ is lightweight and portable, it lacks the robust features of the BLACK+DECKER, making it less suitable for diverse washing tasks. In conclusion, the choice between the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the DXJJ Portable Washing Machine depends on your specific needs and budget. If you require a powerful, feature-rich machine for regular use, the BLACK+DECKER is the better option. However, if you're looking for something compact and affordable for occasional use, the DXJJ may be the right fit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.